Hello, I am JORC. I am here to tell you all about our new SAVER, a compressed air energy saver. Our new 2021 model has a new LCD colored display with exciting new features. Let me show you what the main upgrades are. The new model has a much clearer display, and the icons on the display are larger, making it more easier to read. Especially the valve icon is considerably larger. The display can be set to a variety of different background colors. This gives you the option to match to the display color of your compressor or even your house style color. The display contrast can be adjusted also to make the display even easier to read. There is a new function called Flex. This Flex function enables you to override the auto program for a time frame you want. You can use the Flex function to keep the valve open or closed in this Flex period. The maximum flexible interruption you can program is 99 hours or 1 week, when you program in hours or days. You could use the Flex function during a short factory holiday or during a compressed air system service interval. After the Flex interruption, the SAVER will go back into its programmed auto settings. The top label on the SAVER looks the same as before. Only the arrow has now been renamed to Flex. And the manually open symbol now illustrates an open valve. The top label quality has been improved, by means of incorporating true push buttons in an embossed label. The manually override buttons work like before. But, when you press these buttons now, you will also see the text manually switched in the display. This allows you to identify what has been set and why the SAVER is in a certain mode. The backlight will turn red to highlight the SAVER is not in auto mode. The SAVER now only has one CR2032 battery, instead of 4 AAA batteries. The battery lifespan has been extended up to 5 years. The remote override switch works like before. But, when you now turn the remote switch, you will also see the text remotely switched in the display. This allows you to identify what has been set and why the SAVER is in a certain mode. The background will turn red to highlight the SAVER is not in auto mode. Also, the valve icon now shows the true valve position if the remote switch is set. In the previous version the icon did not show the true valve position. We incorporated a new connection to which you can connect the remote switching set. This allows a very fast and easy way of connecting the remote switching set. In the previous version, connecting a remote kit required unplugging of the 5 control cables. Now, all you need to do is plug in the small remote plug. This method is now the same on the 1 and 2-inch SAVER. It was not on the previous models. The electrical current used in the remote switch cable used to be 115 or 230 VAC, now it is 5 VDC, making the remote set even safer. The display color changes now to a red background color when the SAVER is alarming you of the following. The internal battery requires changing. The Flex function has been set. The manual valve open or close buttons have been pressed. The remote switch has been switched to open or close. These are the upgrades of our new 2021 model SAVER. Thank you for your attention. I'm looking forward to your next order.